pulled the old raggedy car in the shop, got the tubs cut out, and got rear and front wide bodies as well as a KBD body kit. So I'll be installing that probably tonight. I'm gonna start by just self-tappering the rear wide bodies on right now with some self-tapper screws. I'm going to get some rib nuts to actually install them, but for now, just to mount them, I'm gonna go ahead and just run some self-tappers. There has to be a hole there anyways, so might as well. I'm also gonna cut the rear quarters out to get more clearance for the wheels and everything, because I want to lower this car down some more. I mean, it's not bad fitment, but I definitely want to lower it a lot more. So for right now, I'll just go ahead and slap the rear quarters on and self-tapper them in. The rear over fenders actually fit pretty decent. Like, you can actually put them on and they'll stay by themselves without you actually, you know, like clamping them down or anything. The only thing is, I wish I bought 50 millimeters instead of 30 millimeters. Maybe I'll just add some camber or something, because I definitely want to lower this rear end a lot more to kind of match the front. But overall, it's not too bad. I mean, it definitely hides and covers a lot of the dents I had, especially right here. I had a bunch of dents right here, so it covers all that, and I'm pretty happy about that. Started mocking up the fenders, and of course they fit like absolute garbage. Like I said, I knew they were gonna fit like crap, but they fit pretty bad. So if you get Duraflex fenders, be prepared to be doing a lot of cutting and body work to make them fit good. So I'm just gonna go through and just start trimming wherever I see touching, and hopefully I can get everything lined up pretty good, as well as this door line. I think that's gonna have to get reshaped. There's a big gap at the bottom and it's overlapping at the top. So I'll probably have to trim some of this up here, but we'll see. I'll just keep cutting a little bit at a time until everything fits up good. So the rear quarter panels, they actually fit pretty good. Like I'm happy with them. Of course, the side skirts are KBD, those fit pretty good. Front bumpers KBD, that fit pretty good too. Now on the front fenders, don't waste your time buying them. I knew they fit like crap. I knew that from the very beginning, but I was like, well, you know, I could probably massage them in. No, they fit like garbage. So what I did for now is I just cut the stock fender on both sides. This one's pretty beat up, but so I just cut it there just to give me a little bit of clearance. I still probably got to trim a little bit more, and I need to move my caster forward so when I turn it's actually catching the fender and pushing it in. So I have the GK Tech lowers, so I just need to adjust the caster, pull them forward, and hopefully with that I'll be able to turn, because right now I can't turn at all without it grabbing the fender and trying to pull it in. But other than that, it's coming along pretty good. Pretty happy with it. I'll just save up, give me some KBD fronts, and I should be good to go with that. I don't think I told you guys, but the harness that runs right here, I took it to Cars and Coffee a couple months ago and I rubbed through it and I had all kind of electrical problems. I took that out and fixed the harness, and I rerouted it under the dash. So now my harness and fuse box and everything is over there under the dash. My goal is to get this car back on the road probably by this week or next week. There's not a whole bunch of stuff left to do other than put some new tires on it, update my tag, and fix my headlights. So as long as I get all that fixed, I can start driving this car. One thing I hate about my shop, look at this steep entrance. Like, I hate it. Like, with all my heart, I hate it. I need to build me a ramp. You can see my bumpers laying on the ground right now. One of these days when I get some extra time, I should be doing it today, but I'm working on this. But I'm gonna build me like a metal ramp. That way I can get low cars in here, because I gotta set up a bunch of pieces of wood, stack them all together, and it's just a pain. So eventually I'll get around to building me a nice ramp. See guys, that's why I need a ramp. I completely, the back wheel missed the wood, shot those pieces of wood out. It was a bad time, but I got the car in there thanks to my neighbors over here. But that was pretty funny, not gonna lie. Thank God I got KBD, because that would have broke. As you can see, it's snowing right now. Like, this is Oklahoma for you guys. Yesterday it was nice, sunny, working on the car, but today it's freaking snowing. Anyways, ended up pulling the car in, got the caster adjusted so I can actually turn now. I still have to cut the rear quarters out to get more clearance in the rear, so I'll be doing that in a future video. And I will be keeping this car. I know I said in the earlier video that I'll probably sell it, but if I sell it, I know I'll get sad again and I'll be like, oh, I want another 240, blah blah blah, because this is like my third one. And honestly, I love these cars. These are one of my favorite cars actually. Like, I think I have more fun in this car than I did in my Skyline. It was auto and it was slow. This car still has the RB20, but it seems way faster than the Skyline. Well, that's gonna do it for that one, guys. I just want to say a quick thank you to all my viewers and subscribers. I finally hit 1,000 subscribers, so that was pretty exciting. Definitely gives me motivation to keep making videos for you guys. And like always, I will see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think about the S13 and what color I should paint it, because I gotta get it painted. But I'll see you guys later. Peace.